what's up everybody? So today it's just me and the boys. Song has to work today, so I decided to figure something out. Let's get out and let's just go and have some fun. So what we decided to do today was to go to the zoo. It's particularly very hot today, so we decided to go to the zoo not so much to see the animals, but really just to use the water features at the zoo. Our zoo has these great geysers. It's something like they model it after Old Faithful in Yellowstone National Park, but it's just a great place for the boys to kind of get wet and enjoy water, you know? And so they had such a blast. So one of the things is that when we're out and about, Evan has to power through these nap times. And so if you know anything about Evan is just so investigative. He loves to just look around and just check out things. So it's so cute to watch him just kind of like fight his sleep a little bit. But I think he definitely wouldn't have it any other way. When he's home, again, like he's really restless. So when he's out and about, he just loves it. But it's so cute to watch him look at everything and then try to fight his sleep at the same time. It's super cute.
No, climb. Are you so tired, buddy?
So thank you guys so much for joining our adventure today. Tune in. We will have many more adventures to come. And so until next time, peace.